Hi, I'm Mohammad Hasif Khan and I'm here to review the Site 24 into 7 demo. So under the Site 24 into 7 demo, I'm going to review the admin section. So when you click on the admin section, admin icon, so here we have an option called user and alert management. So under user and alert management, we have an option called users and alert. So this option will allow the admin to add a user to his dashboard and assign him some task. So once user is added, he will get alert notification on any server issue or hardware components. So on top right side, if you see, there's an add user button which is very neutral and it is not contrast. So to make it look contrast, the button color can be changed to green. So we can use the brand color itself. So this will make the button more contrast. And here, just before add user, there is a search box. So the search box, instead of using the search box, we can add search icon. If you see on top, search icon is used and bottom search icon is not there. So instead of search box, you can use the search icon. So once you click on the search icon, you can show the search text box pop up. So only the icon will be there. So once you click on the icon, the pop-up will appear. The overall site, if you see, it is not responsive, which can be rectified. So for better user management, because this site can be used in desktop, even in laptops, even in tablets, or even in mobile phone in different screen size. So if it's more responsive, it will be more user friendly. Okay, and on top, if you see, just next to the search, a hash symbol is added under the global search box. So again, this can be removed, and instead of the text field, we can use only the icon. So once you click on the icon, we can show a search box pop-up appears. Okay, so when you click on the add user, so form appears. So if you see, the text color is not looking consistent. To mark as mandatory, the text color is shown as red. So instead of red, text color can be changed to black, and to mark mandatory, we can use the hash symbol. Okay, so text field again can be reduced, and the border radius can be border radius can be increased, okay, for each and every text field, so that it will look more elegant. And under the mobile number, the country name can be removed. Instead of country name, we can add flag symbol, flag icon. Okay, so again, this field size will reduce. And then when you scroll down, anyway, the user is going to get notification through different types of medium: email, SMS, voice call, and IM. Here, this option can be removed because we have alert setting option. So in this, again, if you see, the same option is repeating in all the mediums, even the down, critical, trouble, up, app locks, anomaly, everything has same options. Okay, so under this, he can enable the alert options. Wherever he want to receive the alert, he can use this options. And when you click on this, there will be a tick icon here. Again, I'll just fill some information here. Okay. So again, if you see, this tick color, it is showing in gray. Instead of gray, this can be changed to green. So some to show contrast. Alerting period, this slider, it is not proper. If you see, when I move the slider, when I change the slider on the right side, even the left slider is moving together. Okay, so when you move, only one slider should move. Okay, so that he can set the alerting period. And here this don't alert me option can be removed, because if example the system admin marks Wednesday as don't alert me, and if I am getting a server issue, I will not be able to alert him under any medium. So this option can be removed, it is not required. So the site is designed to alert the system admin under any circumstance. The alert message need to be reached. Instead of don't alert me, we can add an option called current working status, something like that, and we can add online or offline. If the user or the admin goes on any vacation, he can mark offline, and if he is on duty, he can mark online. So here email format can be used. Email format, if you see, can be removed. Actually, email format can be removed. It is not required anyway. Whatever notification the admin is going to receive, it is going to be in the form of text. So again, the email format option can be removed. Okay, so when you click on the add user, even under each and every text field we can add a placeholder, so this will notify the user what content need to be filled. So this changes, I hope, could make this site more user friendly. Thank you.